one.
There's one.
Oh yeah. Oh, Jason got a big one.
Oh, that is a good one, I think.
Oh, it's fine.
That is a good one. I gotta tighten my drag. Oh, he's going up. He's going up.
Wow.
Oh, it is a good one. It is a good one. Okay. Yeah, it's a really good one. Oh, he's going up. There we go. No, 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 not in the bushes. Come on. That's 3.
3.5. 3.
Decent fish right there.
That's 3.5.
He's fat. It's a little bit fatter than I would have expected. Right in the corner.
It's chunky. 3.
Yeah, about 3. Pretty good. There we go, right there. See?
Yeah.
Big old.
Where did he hit? How far out?
Hit out where Brett's fishing. So maybe if you had a lure, Brett, instead of crappy nibbles, you might have caught something.
He caught a lot. He doesn't know. He doesn't look.
It's all right. See you, bud.
Caught a lot. I thought it was gonna be like 4.5.
You're in front of Dad right now.
Oh, then go over there in front of me.
There's one.
Oh my. Oh yeah. Wacky worm is just the way to go.
You just. Oh no, he broke it. No. All you gotta do is look. Yeah, change up colors and change up sizes, and boom, there you go. Easiest fish in the. Oh, look at that unhooked too. So perfect. All right, Frisky, you got the camera wet. All right. See you, pal. See you, bud. Yay, Toddy.
That's how big the one that I caught today was.
Look, you caught him on the swim jig.
Yeah, he runs barely.
There you go, bud.
He's a £1.25.
£1.25?
Pound?
He's a
the one you just
pound.
had.
Oh, stop.
Brad, tell him.
See you, bud. Kaboom. Oh, there's one. Yeah.
You got it.
Oh, okay. It's a good one. Or not. That's okay. We'll take it. Come on.
Wacky worm is like ridiculous.
Come here. Ready? Ooh, boat flip. Look at that. Didn't even set the hook. You don't have to with a wacky worm. Hook came right out. There we go. £1.75 I'm giving him. £1.75. Alright. Fish number 3. Oh! Jeez, that was a big splash for a little fish. Watch. You missed him. He's about 12 feet out, 2 pounds. Looking for a nice little decent watermelon red dinger. About to catch him right now. There he is. There, no way. There it is. Oh! What? No. Yeah, I was literally calling it too, and it was. I think it was bigger than 2, so I was off on that part. But yeah, 12 feet out now, but right there. As soon as it hit the water, my line started to go. There he is again. Oh God, it's like it's not even a pound. Look at him, he's water skiing in. That's not the, I'm telling you, that's not the same one. I know it's not.
Wacky worm, what are you doing? What happened?
What'd you do?
You have blisters. Oh, great.
Oh, he's walking around in bare feet. Okay. See ya, fish. So that's good, we didn't lose it. Alright. Thinking there's gonna be a fish along this bank real quick. This cast in particular. Check it out. Here we go. Observe. See what I mean? Oh, it's a good one too. Oh my God, it's a really good one. Guys, I got a good one. A really good one. He's going up. No, stay down, stay down. Oh, I gotta move. Come on. Oh, it's going. Oh! Man, good fish. That's a solid 3.5 somewhere, 3 3/4. Good fishy. About 3 3/4. It's 3 3/4. Finally lost my dinger. Man, that is a good fish. All right, bud. We'll see you later. Have a good rest of your day, bud. Alrighty. Great hour of fishing. I could not have asked for a better hour. And because of that, I think that's going to end the video. But hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you did, please take 2 seconds, drop a like for my pain of just now losing this dinger, because this thing went through 4 fish today. I'd say that's pretty good. So I'm gonna go rock fishing, but I'll catch you guys later.